So to all aspiring US accountants and US bookkeepers, this is for you.
Meron akong nakitang 3 bookkeeper positions na beginner-friendly sa online jobs at PH. So isa-isahin natin siya. So the first one has a job title bookkeeper. So date posted is January 16, 2025. So very recent lang. So kailangan ma-applyan mo na siya ngayon. So ito yung details niya. So nung binasa ko siya kanina, walang nakalagay na kailangan ng experience, ganyan-ganyan. So ang sinabi niya dito, knowledgeable sa cash accrual, foundation sa bookkeeping. So this is a beginner-friendly bookkeeping position. Okay, so pumunta ka na dito sa online jobs at PH. Yung link nito nasa bio ko siya. So pagka-click mo nung bio sa TikTok ko, mapupunta ka sa YouTube. Ito yung YouTube ko, mapupunta ka dito. Pag-click mo yung link tree ko sa job opportunities, tapos pagka-click mo ng job opportunities, mapupunta ka sa YouTube, tapos ito siya. Pupunta ka dito sa job opportunities. Pag click mo to, ito siya, number 35. Actually, yung tatlong i-discuss ko is 35, 36, 37. Okay, yung discuss ko kanina is 35. Okay, so next job tayo is bookkeeper, AP, management. So this is full-time, depends on qualification and salary, and then the schedule is to be discussed, and then date posted is January 16 ulit, so very latest. So, nung binasa ko din dito kanina, ang sinabi lang, detail-oriented and organized. So, hindi niya sinabing experience. So, kung bago ka sa bookkeeping, this is a beginner-friendly. So, applyin mo na to habang mainit pa siya. Okay? So, ayan. Accounts payable, ganyan-ganyan. So, ito yung usual na ginagawa ng isang bookkeeper. Okay, yung third naman is kailangan lang ng 1 to 2 years of bookkeeping experience, and then proficiency in QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online is required. So, ito yung pangatlo. So, ito yung full-time, $300. Ayan. So to apply, just click the link in my TikTok bio and then choose job opportunities, and then pagpunta mo sa YouTube, ito na siya. Okay? And then you can always use my free resume and cover letter template kung wala pa kayong experience, wala pa kayong resume for VA, so pwede niyo magamit ito. So ito yung file ng mga templates na ginawa ko for all niches. So, hindi lang bookkeeper. So, gumawa ko ng resume for all niches. So, ito, resume for general VA. So, kung bookkeeper yung ina-applyan mo, gamitin mo yung page 3. Puntahan mo yung page 3. Ayan, so ito bookkeeper. So, pwede mong gamitin itong template na to for bookkeeper. Itong template na to is ginamit ko siya personally, and I have so many offers for the past 11 years of my VA US accounting or US accounting career. Okay, so pwede nyo magamit to, or pwede rin namang i-retain nyo yung yung resume nyo. Just tailor your resume based on the job description. Okay, so very important na may bookkeeper sa job title. Okay, so yun lang, and good luck to your application.